Hey there, if you're a locksmith in 2025, I know one thing for sure. People need you. Every single day, someone is locked out of their home, replacing their business locks, upgrading to smart locks, or fixing broken keys and jammed doors. But here's the question. Are you the one they call first? Because in today's fast-moving world, the first locksmith that responds wins the job. If you're relying on outdated marketing, missed calls, or waiting for Google reviews to bring in leads, you're leaving a ton of money on the table. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get more clients, more calls, and more jobs with the power of automation, and one tool that's built for service pros like you. Let's be honest, the old way of doing things used to work. Slap your number on your van, hand out business cards, hope someone calls when they're in a jam. But today, customers are going online first. They search locksmith near me and expect instant service. If they don't get an answer fast, if there's no clear way to request help, if your number goes to voicemail, they move on. That means you could be the best in your area, but still losing out to the one with the fastest reply. Here's what people want in 2025. A fast way to request help, instant confirmation you got their message, a professional process especially when they're stressed. Whether it's a midnight lockout or a scheduled smart lock install, they expect speed, clarity, and reliability. If you can't provide that, someone else will, and that's why automation matters. Now imagine this. A customer finds your link. They land on a clean, mobile-friendly page that says, "Locked out, need a locksmith, get help now." There's a short form asking for location, type of service, urgency level, contact number. They hit submit. Boom, they get an automated text confirming you received the request. They even get an ETA if it's an emergency. Meanwhile, your phone alerts you with all the info, so you can prioritize and dispatch fast. That's how smart locksmiths are winning more jobs in 2025. No back and forth, no misleads, just quick action and booked jobs. You don't need to build this system from scratch. That's where funnelfreedom.io comes in. Funnel Freedom helps you build a fast-loading quote or emergency funnel, collect job requests 24/7, send automatic replies via SMS or email, let clients choose service types like lockout, rekeying, install, etc., sync with your calendar or dispatch system, keep every lead organized in one dashboard. Whether you're a one-person business or have a small team, it works for you, and it runs even when you're busy working on a lock or out on the road. Let me tell you about a locksmith in Denver we worked with. He was getting leads, but missing half of them because he couldn't answer fast enough. We built a simple funnel. Headline, need a locksmith fast, request help below. Form with service type plus location plus urgency. SMS reply sent instantly. Automated daily job tracker in the dashboard. In just 3 weeks, his average response time dropped from 3 hours to 15 minutes, and he booked 40% more jobs without spending more on ads. Why? Because customers felt taken care of immediately. Here's how to get started. Go to funnelfreedom.io, choose a service funnel template, add a clear headline like "Locked out, request locksmith help in 60 seconds." Add options for services like emergency, smart locks, rekeying, etc. Connect your email or SMS replies, turn it on, and let the funnel do its thing. Now your business is open 24/7, even when you're asleep. When someone's locked out or dealing with security issues, they need to feel safe and supported. An automated system replies instantly, looks professional, builds trust before you even speak. And when that happens, they're not calling around anymore. They're calling you. So let's wrap this up. You already have the skills to unlock doors and protect homes. Now, it's time to unlock more jobs, more leads, and a smarter business model. Set up your first funnel at funnelfreedom.io and start booking clients even while you're working on your current ones. If this helped you, give it a like and make sure to subscribe for more ways to grow your service business without burnout in 2025. Until next time, stay safe, stay ready, and automate smart.